want to talk to you guys about job site safety and tourniquets again. I'm hoping you watched the first video where I talked about the importance of having a tourniquet and having it with you in your tool bag, on your person, in your shop, in your truck, wherever you work. In this video, I want to talk about how to apply the tourniquet, because once you learn how to do it, you then got to practice it a few times. And the reason why you need to practice is the old saying, people don't rise to expectations, they fall to their level of training. And if you guys don't practice a couple times, you're not going to be able to do this under stress, in pain, or when there's panic. So the first thing to do is you just want to take it, if you can, and put it over your injured limb. Loop it right over if you can do it. Sometimes you can't do this, but sometimes you can. 2 to 3 inches above the bleed, and then you take this Velcro strap and you pull it as tight as you can. And then you fasten the Velcro strap around the band, all the way around. But don't put it into the clips. There's a couple of clips here, right here, that you don't want to put that Velcro band in. The tourniquet should be tight enough that you can get 2 or 3 fingers into the band, behind the band and between the skin. Once that's done, you want to twist the tourniquet, and this is called a windlass. It's just a rod. You want to twist it a bunch of times until the bleeding is stopped, and then secure that rod into this clip right here. Once that's done, you can then take your Velcro strap and route it around again, and then just take the time strap and lock it into place. This is your lock, so this doesn't come out. Check for bleeding. If the bleeding is not controlled, consider tightening it further, or you can apply a secondary tourniquet right next to the first one. And then, like I said, on this time strap, if you can, record the time. It's good, it's useful for EMS personnel and doctors. If you can't be sure of where that injury is or where it's coming from, the tourniquet can be applied over clothing, and this is realistic for a job site. Just put it as high as you can on that injured limb and apply the tourniquet. Just remember, you cannot apply it over solid objects that are in pockets, like a cell phone, a wallet, keys, a knife, whatever. And lastly, once it's on, leave it on. Let's talk about applying the tourniquet with 2 hands. It's faster to slip the tourniquet over, to loop it over a limb if you can, than it is to take the tourniquet fully apart. But you may have to actually take it apart to apply it. You may have to undo it like this to do that. When or why would you do that? Maybe the patient is in a position you can't loop it over their leg, or their leg is badly damaged. If that's the case, you slip it around the leg, you loop it through the loop, and then you've got it on that leg. And then basically you're going to follow the instructions that we talked about for just a minute ago. I just want to say, for years the tourniquet has been thought of as a tool of last resort. Well, the last 2 decades, battlefield experience has proven that tourniquets are not only safe, but they're effective and they save lives. And I encourage you guys to go out and buy a few of these. Put one in your first aid kit, in your truck, and most importantly, keep one with you. Tool belt, tool bag, on your person, wherever. And lastly, remember these important tips. Tourniquet first in severe bleeds. Extreme hemorrhages, tourniquet first. With a bad bleed, time matters, so get it on fast. Put the tourniquet on high and tight, and once on, leave it on. I'm Rob Robillard. I hope you guys stay safe at the job site, and hope you consider getting a tourniquet. Take care.